Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about these Coverado seats for your BMW E39, and that would be from the years 97 through 2003. So I do want to mention the guys at Coverado sent these seat covers, so let's go ahead and install them. Alright, so we're going from this to this, and anyway, so let's get started. From here, we're gonna go ahead and put these right here. All you have to do is just open it a little bit, and some already have an opening, so just slip it on there just like this. Some of them, if you do have to open them, make sure you go ahead and tighten it right back to how it's supposed to go, just like that. These are gonna go down, and this one is gonna go through the back. Now for the back right here, you'll get these, the way you install these, just like this, and another two right here. You'll be needing three up here. You just repeat the same step for this side. You're gonna have that pocket there. Make sure you unbutton this top part as well. This one you can actually install it with the headrest on there, but if you want to, you can go ahead and take it off or remove it, just like that. Now walk it down, and there you go. Now it's time to button it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of wiggle it the way it's supposed to be. So I do want to mention that there's a big difference. Check this out, this right here compared to this right here, which is pretty beat up. And also one thing, before you go ahead and secure these, make sure you go ahead and pass the ones from the front through. Just make sure you pass these first before you go ahead and snap on the back part. These are very simple to pass right through. Just go ahead and pass them through just like that. There you go, looks pretty clean. So let's look at the comparison right here. New one, old one. Now let's go ahead and secure the bottom part. Those bottom part has these buckles. Just go ahead and buckle them. They're gonna go around. This is gonna go through the bottom. This right here is gonna hook from the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and secure this one already. This is the easier part, the front. Now when it comes time to the headrest, make sure you go ahead, if you have an electronic headrest, go ahead and lift it up as much as you can. If you have a manual one, just go ahead and lift it up. On the E39, it is an electronic headrest, so that'll help you out there. Now just go ahead and slip this one on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now it will fit snug, but it does go ahead and fit in there. You might struggle just a bit like the way I did. Now just go ahead and put this back part through the bottom, just like this. Put it as much as you can all the way in there, and there you have it. So now you can go ahead and just lower it. I just want to go ahead and show you the difference here. Coverado one, same for this side. Just go ahead and slide it down. Make sure it clears the headrest. I do want to mention that the way I managed for this seat to stay on there pretty good is I got the circle that comes with the seat, those circle plastic pieces, and I slid it in there and drove it up, and that way it actually stays in there pretty good. Now as for this one, just go ahead and tuck this one in here, this buckle, and you're going to want to tuck it just like this. You see right there where you get an exit, so you're going to make it come out from here through here. Rather than this, you can see how it's in there. I'm just gonna fish that buckle this way, and this will go on this side of the of the seat belt. I don't want the seat belt blocked off like this. So, and then this, I'm just gonna fish it through the bottom, just like that. Fished this buckle through here, popped it out through here. Now I can get this buckle to buckle up right here. Let me go ahead and do that with 2 hands. And there you have it. It's pretty much going to be out of sight, so that's a good thing. This rest of the seat, you can go ahead and tuck it in there. And the rest of the seat, you just go ahead and tuck it in to the side, and there you have it. It looks pretty nice. Okay, so this part's going to be easier. Just use this. Go ahead and fish. And so here I have the buckle. Now I just need to go ahead and get, and there you have it. It's buckled, and there you go. All right, so this big piece is going to go in between here. Okay, so make sure that once it's on, you go ahead and fix this correctly like this. Okay, now comes the small piece, the smaller piece, and just make sure this smaller piece, this is going to go under the seat. And just make sure it's equal, nice and tight there. And then now this is going to go on the bottom, tucked in. All right, so here it is, and they look great. The bottom part really tucks in there. The finish just looks great, that perforated leather. It is a very nice finish on these seats. And as you can see, here's the front seats. They just look very nice overall. The Coverado brand right there, the perforated leather, and overall they look great, very nice, as the color is somewhat going with the interior color, but just overall the finish and the fitment on these front ones is very great as well.